The second leg of our journey brought us down the western coast of Lake Michigan. It was a really nice day for a drive. We stopped at the northernmost part of the lake, dipped our toes in, enjoyed the beautiful weather for a bit. The lake was surprisingly warm and we were super happy to be there. From there we went to Fayette Historic State Park. We were caught off guard by having to pay the Michigan State Park fee on top of our camping fees, but it was totally worth it to get in. We didn't know what to expect, but when we got there, we really enjoyed the place. It was really well kept. We took the bikes out for the first time and biked around the little village. It was a really cool place, lots of history, you could really feel it in the air. We toured around the village for about an hour before retiring back to our site. We were pretty much right on the lake except for a few trees between us, and it was a beautiful sunset that night. The next morning we crossed into Wisconsin, and I finally got to go to Green Bay and see Lambeau Field, home of my Packers. I'd always wanted to go but never really got to make it there. There was no game on, but it was still a really cool place to be and it's a really nice spot. After that, we headed up to Sturgeon Bay area. We found a nice park and we stopped for lunch. We climbed the quarry wall, and the cat came with us. It was kind of cool. It's the first time we'd really gone for a walk together. He was tired by the time he got to the top, but we were still good. The park was nice, but from there we went on to our campsite just outside Sturgeon Bay. It was pretty nice. It was a beautiful day again, and it was a perfect spot to plan leg 3, heading west across the country. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our blog at lifeenroute.com. And as always, share, like, and subscribe.